Hello Year 9, this is our second lesson of the week and we are working today on part-time jobs. So we're going to start with looking at practicing saying those part-time jobs. So we've got an idea of how to say them. Then we're going to be looking for details that you're going to need to read from texts about part-time jobs. And then we're going to work on practicing our knowledge of the imperfect via a game of maze chase. So what you need for today's lesson is pen, paper, timer, and or a computer. And you will need obviously the access to the internet to be able to play the maze chase. First of all, I need you to be writing the date and I need you to write the title, Mon petit boulot, and obviously underline both of them as you would in a classroom. Then for your starter, you have got 3 levels of difficulty. I need you to start with a green task where you need to translate the 3 sentences back into English. To be able to do this, you might need to look at the vocab sheet that is attached at the bottom of your instructions in the class charts tasks. Then I need you for the amber task to unjumble the sentences. So you've got 3 sentences, but the words are in the wrong order. Put them back in the right order. Again, use the vocab sheet if you need it. And then for the red task, I need you to finish off the sentences as if you were working in those places. So for these, you need to be thinking about a justified opinion, which is giving an opinion about where you work and then saying why you like it or why you don't like it. So for example, if the sentence says, I deliver newspapers, that's the beginning of the sentence, and the end would be the justified opinion. So you could say, for example, I hate to deliver newspapers because it's tiring. Okay? So you need to pause the video. You need to get your timer on for 5 minutes. Do as much as you can within 5 minutes. Okay, so for your next task, I will be asking you to practice saying those answers and questions. So what I'm going to do is I am going to say them and I am going to give you a bit of time so you can say them in turns. So all you need to do is repeat after me, really. Let's start with a question. As-tu un petit boulot? Your turn. Je fais du babysitting. Your turn. Je travaille dans un supermarché. Your turn. Je livre des journaux. Je travaille dans un restaurant. Je travaille dans une épicerie. Je travaille dans un salon de coiffure. Je travaille dans un centre de loisirs. Je travaille dans une ferme. Okay, good job. You can practice those again whenever you want. Just go back in the video so you can listen to me again if you need to. Okay, your next task will be a reading task. So you can see that you have got 5 yellow speech bubbles, each containing a text by a different person, and all to do with part-time jobs. So you will need to be looking at the green task first. You have got 7 questions. They all start with the word who. So my answers should be a name, and you've got Abdul, Nathalie, Benjamin, Sophie, and Luc. So all you've got to do is write the numbers 1 to 7 and then write down the name of the person that is concerned by the question. For the Amber task, you will need to pick one of the 5 texts and you will need to translate it in English. So write the text straight in English. For the Red task, you will need to look at one of the texts, the one that you want, and you will need to adapt it, so it means change the words, for yourself. You can make things up. I'm not interested if it's true or not. I'm interested in the accuracy of your spelling and if it makes sense. So don't forget, write the task color before you attempt the task. You will need to now pause the video and you have 10 minutes to complete the reading tasks. Final task, year 9. So, the same way that last lesson we practiced our future tense. This time you're going to be practicing the imperfect. So, I need you to look at your instructions and your list of attachments. I need you to go and click on the word wall link. I need you to complete the maze chase and make sure that you take a screenshot of your score because you will need to upload it for your proof of work in class charts. So scroll down, go and find the link, click on it, do the task, take a screenshot. Okay, year 9, this is it for this week. So before you close the video, you need to be uploading on class charts. What do you need to upload? Your starter with the sentences about part-time jobs, your answers to the reading tasks, and your maze chase score. So upload those 3 things on class charts and you're done. Thank you.